Sir, मेरे को ना थोड़ा सा litigation के बारे में let's discuss on that. Like
Hmm.
there are some myths regarding litigation that are generally talked about.
Hmm.
One is that in litigation you always have to be aggressive.
It's
So
not always that. See, what happens is people think that lawyers should be aggressive, and sometimes it's good, but it's not always, you know, expected out of you to be aggressive. You have to be affirmative. Your point has to put through to the judge's mind, and you have to be very cordial with your judge, very cordial with your bar members. If you are very, aggressive towards judges and aggressive towards your bar members, judges will throw you out of the court. So you have to be very cordial towards your judges, your bar members. You have to maintain the dignity of the court, that what is happening. So everyone's watching you in the court. Once your name is tarnished by any means, then it's tarnished for life. So you have to be very, humble towards the court, humble towards your, opposite side. It's not he is a enemy towards you. He's not. He is just doing his job. You are doing your job. After the court is over, you can shake hands. There's no problem in that. So you always have to be very cordial. So this is what I teach my juniors as well. That he's not your enemy. Neither the judge is your enemy. You have to be cordial. If something is going against you, you may argue it aggressively. Even if there is an order against you, you don't have to create a ruckus. You don't have to do anything. You just appeal it. You have a right to appeal. Appeal it. Because earlier times and these days also, what I see is many of the lower courts such as district courts, if a person of good standing in a district court gets an order against him, what he'll do is he'll gather 50, 20 lawyers. All right, go to this judge's chamber and then create a ruckus. Then there will be strikes and these things. So it's not required. आप appeal करिए ना. There's no one stopping you to appeal that. You get an appeal, get through with it. So that is what my advice is.